Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today is going to be data types. Data types are the building blocks of any programming language. Similarly in SQL also. In MySQL, the whole thing which we are reading at the moment, these are the three most important data types like string, numeric values, then date and time. Because in real-time data, these are the type of variables which you receive like name. When we talk about name, address, father's name, mother name, all those are what? They are strings. When we talk about, let's say, salary, age, anything like that, that is a number. Then dates and time, I don't need to tell you, all understand. So I wanted to give you some example of this, okay? So that's what my agenda is. So let's talk about the data types. So guys, you can see I'm creating a table here. By now, you all understand how I usually create table. So this is the command to create table. Now, user ID is integer. So it's a numeric data type. User name, it's a character. Okay. Character is a variable length. That is something you need to remember. Integer is fixed length. Okay. Again, you can define the length like I'm defining here. 50 is a length. 100 is a length. Then you have date of birth. Date of birth is a date. So that's why I'm defining date as a data type. If you see account balance in this table, so this is a decimal. I want to keep 2 decimal value. What does that mean? That means 10 dot. So this is what this means. Then we have a timestamp. And you can see the timestamp is the full timestamp that has date, time, month, even the time in the watch when the code was running. Similarly, let's create one more table, that is an order table. So this is a schema. So in the order table, again order ID is an integer. Integer type, order ID. Order date is a date time again. So this code you all will get, and this is your responsibility. You need to download this from my GitHub. Okay. So I'll give the link in the description box. So guys, you make sure that you are downloading this code to understand all these data types. Now, total amount is a floating point. What is a floating point? This is a floating point number. So you have float. Similarly, if I go down, so I have given couple of examples. All of you can understand this easily, and this video is going to be very short because all I wanted to make you understand how to define that data type in front of the column name. Also, one very important thing you should remember that in all the queries, I am defining the primary key. So you should know the primary key in your data, in your table, because this is very essential to join multiple tables. So I have given so many examples in this code, and this was all about the data type. So this was a kind of a theoretical session. So this was all about the type of data types. This is a very easy topic, guys. Going forward in upcoming videos, you will understand all of this by default because this is going to be super easy. All you need to know that what are the types of data type and how many segregations are there. So now you know that. On that note, I will take a leave from all of you. Please make sure you download this code from the GitHub. All the best, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.